Hello everyone, today we want to study how to configure the Mikrotik hap RB951-2ND router, Mikrotik router. So to begin with, this is all you need. You'll need to have WinBox installed in your laptop or computer or desktop. Then you'll need to have a patch cord, a patch cable, 2 meter, 3 meter, or 1 meter, depending on how far you will be from the Mikrotik router. Then this router comes with 5 LAN ports. The first port written internet, either port 2, 3 and 4. Then the last port written PoE out that you can use to actually power some devices like access points. So what we'll do, we'll connect the patch cord to Ethernet port 2. Then we open our WinBox from our computer. Go to neighbors, then you refresh. The MAC address of the Mikrotik router will appear below it. Click on it, then connect. Once it's connected, it will give you a prompt to change your password. So for a new router, it doesn't have a password. The password is blank, so we'll put the new password. Then we confirm the same password down here. Then we change. So basically we are now set to configure it. So the first step you'll do, we need to give it an identity. Identity is just like a name to identify it. So we'll go to system, then identity. Then we can call it test router. Then we apply, then OK. The name will appear up here. The second step, we'll assign the IP address now. We go to IP, then address, then you click on the plus sign up there, then you put the IP address now, 192.168.88.50. then this is a /24. then you say, then interface, we'll select where our cable now that is bringing the internet from the ISP will connect to. So we are using Ether 2, so we'll select here Ether 2 and we'll apply and we say OK. So we've assigned it the IP address. The next step, we'll assign the DNS. We'll go to IP, then we go to DNS, put our DNS here. For test purposes, we can put the Google DNS. Then we apply, then OK. Then the next step, we go to routes, we put our gateway, IP, then routes. Then we click on the plus sign here. Then on the gateway here, we will put our gateway 192.168.1 as our gateway. Then we apply, then OK. It's unreachable because we've not connected our cable there. Then we'll go and configure the wireless. We'll go to interface, and we double click on this. We go to wireless. The first is general, the second is wireless. The mode should be AP bridge. Then we put our SSID here. We say test 1 2 3. Then we apply. To put our password, we'll go to wireless, then we go to security profile, then down here on default we double click, it opens. Then we go, the name we leave it default, the mode we put dynamic keys, then we click on WPA2 PSK, then we put our password test 1 2 3, then you apply, and okay. So with that, we have assigned the IP address, we have assigned the DNS, we have assigned the routes, we have also set up the wireless SSID, and we've actually put our password there. So there, I'll go down to tools. Under tools, there are several tools that help you in configuration. This is the bandwidth test. There is the IP scan, that you can actually scan your network and see all other devices there connected to the router. You can ping. So these are the basic setup of the Mikrotik hap 951. So what I'll do, I'll log in to one of my already configured router, and we check on the tests. I'll refresh, connect to this. Login. So I go to tools. Under tools, I can do actually an IP scan, and to see all the devices connecting, I'll choose bridge, select the range, I click on start. So I'm able to see all the devices connected to my router, the MAC address with the respective MAC address. I can go back to tools again. I can actually ping a particular device, 192, if I know the IP address, 168.88.200. Then I select here. Then I click on start. You can see it's replying. So those are the two tests under tools that I've explained on how to use them. We can check the version of our Mikrotik router. I go to system, then I go to packages, then I click check for updates. It's saying the channel is stable, installed version 6.49.19, latest version is 6.49.19. the system is already up to date, so there's nothing we need to do. If it was running on a lower version, I should be able to click for check for updates. When it will show me the latest version, I can download and install the new version. So still under systems, the password you've seen how to change. The packages, if you need to reset the router, you go to reset, then you click reset, it will reset everything. The system, you can go to router board. You can actually upgrade the router board. Do you really want to upgrade the firmware? You click on yes, then it will tell you the firmware upgraded successfully. You reboot the router for it to take effect. So there's another thing on queues. Queues, you can actually add simple queues to cap bandwidth for particular IP addresses. Let's say we say 192.168.88.67. Then here the limit we put like 5, can put the download limit also 5, then you apply and OK. So under here you'll be able to see if this particular user is maxing on the allocated bandwidth. You can say show columns, then you click on downloads to enable that, and upload and download, then you have OK. You can see the traffic. This particular user is not using, is only using 6 very small bandwidth. Is not maxing on the allocated bandwidth. So basically this is how to we've actually learned the basic setup of a Mikrotik 950/51 2ND Mikrotik router. Thank you very much. If you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so.